Check out this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tow hooks, luggage rack, automatic headlights and fog lamps. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.